Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools that every researcher must know, especially for making your literature review. So these two tools will be very helpful for you to make your academic literature review very easy, and also very useful for you to analyze your reference papers and make your literature review writing and research paper writing very easy. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tools. So the first tool what we are going to discuss today is that Elicit. So in this you can see that there are three options are available. So you can find papers or you can ask any research questions. So you can use it like a search engine. So next one is you can extract data from PDF. So you can upload your data, that is your reference papers, and you can extract the data. So and you can get the explanation of list of concepts also. So here I am going to showcase you the first option, that find papers. So you can just give any topic. For example, I am going to give Internet of Things and its applications. Like that I am going to give an input prompt. So automatically you can see that, so the most relevant papers associated with the topic will be showcased here. So it will take several seconds. So here you can see that, so the paper will be showcased here. So Internet of Things and its applications, the study on applications of IoT. So like that the IoT related topic will be automatically listed here. So the first important thing is that what we have to keep in mind is that, so automatically the summary of the top 4 papers will be listed here. So here you will get the summary of the top 4 papers. So here you can see that the Internet of Things is a network of interconnected devices that collect and share data, enabling various applications across different domains. So like that, this is the citation of the first paper. So here this is the citation of the first paper, and the second paper, third and fourth one. So this is how it will automate your literature review. So without you have to automatically the first 4 papers will be selected here, and it will make it as a literature review. So if you want to add more papers, so you have to go for upgrade option. So here, so if you go for upgrade option, so unlimited summaries of 8 papers at once you can get the summary of 8 papers. So or else if you want to analyze a particular paper, so you can select that paper and you can add the columns here. So these are the different options in this columns available, that is summary, main findings, methodology, intervention, outcome measured, limitations, etc. So here you can see summary of introduction, summary of discussion, study design, study objectives, theoretical framework, research question, research gaps. So like that all the things are available. So if you want to see the research gaps, so just click on the option called research gaps. So automatically that column will be added in this particular thing, that is with automatically the abstract summary. So the research gaps columns will be added, and then what are the research gap associated with that particular paper will be generated here. So this is how you can add the columns here and you can get the analysis of the paper. So it will take several seconds, it will analyze the content and it will generate content for you. So if it is not mentioned, it will show not mentioned. So in some papers, so it will show you the research gap associated with that particular paper. So let us see main findings. So it will take several seconds and it will show the main findings. So automatically the main findings of the paper will be listed here. So here you can see that this is main finding of the third paper. So IoT, the paper provides an overview of IoT applications and how IoT has evolved from related technologies like mobile and ubiquitous computing. It highlights that IoT as connecting objects. So like that the main findings of that particular paper will be showcased here. So at a time, so you can add up to 2 columns, that is we have selected that 8 that is paper, and then you can add that columns. So whatever the columns you add, automatically it will be listed here. So like that whatever the columns you want, you can add here and you can generate a better content out of it. So this is how you can use this literature review tool Elicit to make a better analysis for your research paper. So this is the first tool what you have seen now. So the second tool what we are going to discuss is that the second tool what we are going to discuss is that Scispace. So formerly it is known as 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬. So here these are the different options available in this Scispace. So chat with PDF, AI writer, literature review, find concepts, extract data, paraphrases, citation generator, AI director. So these are the different options available. So I am going to select the option called literature review, as we merely focuses this video on literature review writing only. So let us see how this literature review writing showcases in this Scispace will be very helpful for us. So it is also a same kind of tool as we have seen in Elicit. So it is also list different options. So you can add up the options and you can get the better analysis of the particular topic. So here, in order to get a better understanding, I am going to give the same thing again. So IoT based applications, that is Internet of Things based applications. So again I am going to give the same topic here. So automatically it will search. So it is a larger number of databases and it is having different types of academic contents. So from the top 5 papers, so what are the different things available will be showcased here. So as we have seen in Elicit, there are 4 papers. So in Scispace you will get the 5 paper literature review. So and also what are the different 5 papers are also will be listed here. So here you can see that IoT based smart home monitoring automation system using Android applications, scenario based programming for IoT based development, smart applications based on IoT, mobile applications for IoT based smart home system. So next, smart agricultural applications using Internet of Things, adaptive learning in IoT based smart city applications. So like that there are different options are available. So here you can see, as like in Elicit, so here also you can see that the column you can add. So conclusion, summarize, abstract, results, summarized introduction, methods used, literature review, literature survey, limitations, contributions, practical implications, objectives, findings, research gaps, future research, dependent variables, data sets. So like that, what are the different options available, so you can add it up. So here you can select the particular paper or whatever you want you can do. So you can select the paper which is closely related to your research. So and then you can add that column here. For example, I am going to add a problem statement. So automatically the problem statement will be added here. So and it will show what are the problems available in this particular paper. So here you can see that automatically the problem statement is, so here you can see that the problem statement will be shown here. So I am going to close this insight. So thereby you can see a clearer view of the problem statement. So IoT based smart home monitoring and automation system using Android application. For that, so these are the problem statements. Homeowners struggle to monitor household activities remotely, need to automated smart home monitoring solutions. So next one, in the second paper, scenario based programming for IoT applications. So here fragmentation complicates IoT development and increases cost, low sales volumes hinders IoT business. So why I have selected this problem statement is that whenever you are making a literature review, so at least you have to tell some of the limitations associated with the particular paper. So if you are struggling to write limitations for that particular paper, so you can use this kind of options. So instead of writing a common limitations in all of the papers, so you can use this kind of analysis to find the limitations associated with the particular paper. So thereby you can use these limitations in your literature review writing. So this will be very helpful for you to make your literature review writing stronger and a quality one. So you can make use of this option. So other than that, so these are the different options available as like I have shown in Elicit. So you can make use of this option in the Scispace and make your literature review writing simple and easy. So this video is to bring an aware about how to make literature review using AI tools. These two tools will be very helpful for you to make your literature review that is literature review for your research paper easily. Especially my personal suggestion, when compared with Elicit, I will go for Scispace. So it will generate a better content for your research paper writing. So make use of this option and make your research paper writing, especially literature review writing, simple and easy. Hope this video will bring an aware about these two AI tools. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.